Greetings beauties. In this video, we will be presenting this summer's hottest makeup products for 2023. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button so that you will be notified when we post new videos. Now let's get started. First on the list, we have Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is a soft matte longwear foundation that features climate adaptive technology to fight heat, sweat, and shine. Stay looking fresh morning or night with this buildable, medium to full coverage formula that is available in a range of 50 boundary-breaking shades. It instantly smooths and diffuses the look of pores. It's also undetectable on the skin, so that's a bonus. Number 2, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This foundation is another great option for those who want a full coverage look that still looks natural. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to keep skin hydrated, and it has a blurring effect that helps to minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines. Number 3 is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This foundation is a good choice for those who want a medium coverage foundation that looks natural and dewy. It's oil-free and non-comedogenic, so it's perfect for all skin types. Number 4 on the list, we have the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This foundation is a newer launch that's quickly become a favorite. It has a lightweight, comfortable formula that provides medium to full coverage. It also has a peach scent that's both refreshing and invigorating. Number 5 is the Huda Beauty Faux Filt'r Foundation. This foundation is known for its blurring effect that helps to create a flawless complexion. It's also full coverage and long wearing, making it a fantastic option for special occasions. Number 6, we have the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. This foundation is a great choice for those who want a lightweight, natural-looking foundation. It has a buildable formula that can be applied for light to medium coverage. Our number 7 on this list is the Glossier Skin Tint. This foundation is a cult favorite for its sheer, natural-looking coverage. It's also oil-free and non-comedogenic, so it's useful for all skin types. Number 8. We have the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is a great way to prep your skin for makeup. It helps to create a smooth, hydrated canvas for makeup application, and it also helps makeup to last longer. Number 9 is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. This brow pencil is a marvelous way to achieve natural-looking brows. It has a fine tip that allows you to draw hair-like strokes, and it comes in a variety of shades to suit all brow colors. Number 10 is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. This brow pomade is another great option for those who want to achieve full, defined brows. It's easy to use and blend, and it comes in a wide range of shades. Number 11 is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This mascara is a classic for a reason. It's known for its lengthening and volumizing effects. Number 12 is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. This mascara is another wonderful option for those who want long, voluminous lashes. It has a unique curved brush that helps to lift and curl lashes. Number 13 is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lipstick. This lipstick is a cult favorite for its universally flattering shade and comfortable formula. It's a great everyday lipstick that can be dressed up or down. Number 14 is Nars Lip Pigment. These lip pigments are a great way to achieve a bold, statement lip. They're long-wearing and highly pigmented, and they come in a variety of colors to suit all tastes. And finally, we have reached number 15. The last item is the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. These liquid lipsticks are a great way to achieve a matte, comfortable lip. They're lightweight and non-drying, and they come in a wide range of shades. Well, ladies, that concludes today's list. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful. We are thankful for your viewership, and we will see you next time.